Today's test, I'm going to take a Rough Ryder Toothpick, number RR1953. Here's the toothpick, RR1953, blue bone. Blade sits nice and straight. Opens up good. Yeah, 440 steel. Okay, let's test it. Okay, here's an index card. Slices it pretty good. No issues. Okay, who uses their knife to cut weed eater lines? Got it. Okay, next, about 1/4 inch rope. Got it. Next, pizza box. Good. For the beer can stab, I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on. Good thing I did. That thing just folded over on me. I got a friendly squirrel who likes to come around and get peanuts. Okay, plastic water bottle. Okay, going back to the index card slice, I'm going to put, see how it held its edge? Yep, sliced it pretty nicely, pretty clean. Yep, nice slice. Okay, Rough Ryder Toothpick. All in all, it held up pretty well. Still opens and closes nicely. Might have picked up a slight bend in the blade, maybe on the beer can stab, but yeah, held up pretty well for a little knife. Thanks for watching.